You've picked out the perfect vinyl floor and can't wait to get it installed, but before that, you have another decision to make. What kind of underlayment will you use? You may be asking, what is underlayment? Underlayment is the layer of material installed between the subfloor and flooring. It provides moisture control, sound deadening, and warmth to the floor, and helps to minimize deflection, which is the bend or sag in the floor caused by loading. Most modern vinyl flooring comes with an attached underlayment or pad, but not always. If your flooring doesn't come with an attached underlayment, read the manufacturer's recommendations. You can often install modern vinyl flooring directly over the subfloor without underlayment, but this will give you the bare minimum performance. For the best experience, choosing the right underlayment is key. But how do you know what underlayment is right for your floor? Let's go over the important points. Determining the right thickness is essential when selecting underlayment, but the proper thickness will depend on the density and material of your floor. Thicker doesn't always mean better, because too much cushioning can make the floor come apart with use. There are some cases where 2 layers of underlayment are recommended. If your flooring has an attached cork pad, you may want to consider adding a thin moisture barrier, depending on your subfloor. Underlayment can have many benefits when correctly installed. One great benefit is sound reduction and absorption to help minimize noise. Another benefit of underlayment is cushioning and deflection, which can significantly improve how the floor feels to walk on. For example, a glue-down floor over concrete will feel harder than a floating floor with a foam underlayment. But keep in mind that too much cushioning can make the joints come apart and unlock the floor. Underlayment can act as a moisture barrier, protecting your subfloor from moisture damage. It can also help keep your floors warm. For the best warmth, look for products with a high thermal R rating. There are many different types of underlayment. The most common include cork, which is great for sound insulation and hiding imperfections in the subfloor. Foam, which is cost-effective and provides cushioning. Felt, which provides better sound insulation than foam. Particle board, which is inexpensive but difficult to install and remove. Rubber, which is great for sound insulation, warmth, and water protection. And plywood or OSB, which provide a level base for flooring but don't offer much warmth or cushioning. For any floor installation, the importance and stability of the subfloor cannot be overstated. No subfloor will be perfectly level. It can have a pitch to it, but you should avoid any peaks and valleys. Always make sure to prepare your subfloor before installation and make sure it's clean and stable. For concrete subfloors, you can install vinyl directly over the substrate. You'll first want to repair any hairline cracks and level the concrete. You'll also need to have a Class 1 moisture barrier to prevent any water from moving up and sitting under your floor. You can also install vinyl directly over wood subfloors, but due to its porous nature, you'll need a Class 2 moisture barrier. For worn wood, you can use a liquid leveling agent to create a smoother surface. You can install vinyl directly over some floors too. For installing directly over floors, linoleum, wood, sheet vinyl, and tile are all suitable if they're in good condition. Installing over an existing floor can save time, but make sure to never install over floating laminate or vinyl plank or tile. If your subfloors vary in height, there are a few actions you can take to fix the issue. The easiest and most cost-effective solution is installing transition molding. For the best underlayment on flooring installs, especially vinyl, we recommend Whisper Step. With Class 2 moisture resistance and sound deadening, it offers an easy and effective solution for almost any type of floor. Still want more info on underlayment? Check out our blog post in the description below and take a look through our product listings at paneltown.com.